Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to access the camera timer on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's have a look. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max and it's iOS 15. First, open camera app from iPhone home screen. By tap switch button, you can choose between the main camera and the selfie camera. Tap the small up arrow icon on top of the camera screen. This will bring up some options. Just slide right to left and tap timer icon. Select between 3 seconds and 10 seconds. You will see your selection with timer icon in the top right corner. Now take the photo by tapping on the shutter button. Your iPhone camera will start countdown. The camera will release a quick flash. That's it. These are the steps to use the camera timer on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.